Hey guys, it's the 4th of July and I got a little smoke bomb, okay? I'm gonna pull the pin to this thing and I'm gonna see what it does, okay? But I'm gonna make some more videos because it's the 4th of July, like I said, like when it gets darker because fireworks show better. Yeah, so anyways. Bro, what? Burnt my hand. Look at this, y'all. Sweet. Look how much smoke that thing is making. Whoa, that's green smoke, y'all. I got another one of those grenades, and it's supposed to make orange smoke, but that will be in the other video. But that fire did burn my hand. That's why, because the other day, I lit off one of these things, and it burnt my hand, and I got a little scar on my hand. That's why I was so scared to open them. But look at all of this. That's crazy. It's not even warm. Ow, ow. Shoot, spark. But anyways, yep. Just ran out of fire. So anyways, yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. See ya. Wait. Thanks for watching, y'all. See ya.